Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast for potential winter storm Lamond. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, I didn't have the time to look it up. Hold on. Hey Alexa, how do you pronounce How do you pronounce L-A-M-O-N-D?
I pronounce that Lamond.
This is potential winter storm Lamond. Probably still not saying it right, but we'll see. You can see, it's still kind of far back. The storm's supposed to hit around February 4th, 5th, 6th, which is roughly a week from now, probably. But I don't have exact amount yet, so I'll just say that there are no exact amounts, but there are chances for major winter storms, minor winter storms, and like pretty bad winter storms. You can see in the cyan color with the one snowflake on it spreading from pretty much southeastern Wyoming through the Great Lakes and parts of northern New York and northern New Hampshire. That is where you'll have a chance for a minor winter storm. Again, there are no exact amounts with these for right now, but you should expect a potential for a minor winter storm. In the dark blue region, starting from a narrow corridor from Iowa, parts of Wisconsin, a lot of Michigan, and northern Missouri, where there's 2 snowflakes, that's where you have potential for a major winter storm. Again, for a major winter storm, in my eyes, I'd say it's like half a foot-ish up. In that red region in here, in southeastern Wisconsin, and parts of eastern and central Michigan, and even a small part of Iowa, you have cities like Milwaukee, Grand Rapids in here. This is where you have the greatest potential for 10 inches of snow or more. And also a heightened risk of major winter storm. So in those red regions, that's where you have the greatest potential for 10 inches of snow or more throughout these days of snow. The snowstorm is supposed to take about 1-2 days. So snow is expected to fall pretty heavily at times, especially in these red areas. And there may be a rain mix situation south of the storm, along and south of the storm. Now, I'll show you the models, what they look like. Now remember, I said potential winter storm, so that means the storm could get completely canceled depending on how things go. I will keep you updated with more videos. Here's the 12Z run for the GFS 24-hour snowfall, including sleet. You can see here, snow starts to accumulate around February 4th, early February 4th. Then it really starts to build up February 4th, and then it starts pushing its way through around Wednesday, February 5th. I'll show you the little radar, what it looks supposed to look like. Pretty much see for yourself. I can explain it for you. Blue is snow. The more darker the blue is, the heavier the snow. And that pink you see there is actually ice, and the green is rain. I forgot to say this, but there is an ice setup that could be happening in a very narrow corridor along with the storm. More details will emerge when we get into February. And also, since we're coming up on February, there's going to be a February monthly forecast coming out before February, probably January 31st, 30th, just before February. You can see the snow gets the heaviest in most areas early Wednesday, especially Michigan, where you have that heightened risk of 10 inches plus. And you do have a slight risk of a minor snowstorm in parts of New York and northern New Hampshire, but that's very minor. You should expect low totals. That's your trusted weather forecast for potential winter storm Lamond. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.
Back to the